Hi, I'm Mary Fotanghal, and today we're going to discuss about simple and compound interest. So our objectives for today is give the difference between simple and compound interest, create a word problem that involves real-life situation on simple and compound interest and explain why, and lastly show the examples and explain the solutions of the word problem you made on simple and compound interest. So, simple interest. Simple interest is an interest charges only on the loan amount called the principal. It is used for savings and investments. Our formula for the simple interest can be found in this diagram, which is I over P times PRT, and can be this. I equals PRT, R equals I over PT, P equals I over RT, and T equals I over PR, which I is interest, is for principal, R is for rate, and T is for time. So, for example, East West Bank offers 3.375% interest on minimum 100,000 pesos. Mrs. Tanghal invested an amount of 110,000 pesos for 5 years. How much interest does Mrs. Tanghal get at the end of the 5 years? So, we're finding for the interest. So, our solution for this is with the given P equals 110,000 pesos, R equals 3.375%, and T is for 5 years. So, I equals PRT. The formula that we will use is I equals PRT because we were finding the I. So, we will substitute for the formula I equals 110,000 pesos times 3.375% times 5. And we will convert this percent to decimal. So, I equals 110,000 pesos times 0.0375 times 5. And our interest is 18,562.50. So, Mrs. Tanghal get the amount 18,562.50 at the end of 5 years, the interest that Mrs. Tanghal get. Next, compound interest. It is the interest paid when interest due at the end of a certain period is added to the principal and that the sum earns interest for the next period. It is usually used on loans. So, compound interest is an interest on an interest. So, the formula of compound interest is A equals P times 1 plus R to the power of T, or A equals P times 1 plus R over K to the power of K over T. So, the K for this is period. So, there are different periods, semi-annually, annually, monthly, daily. Example, Mr. Bunak applied for a housing loan at the Pag-ibig Center. He borrowed 450,000 pesos with an interest rate of 4.5% for a period of 10 years compounded annually. How much must he pay? So our solution for this with the given for the principal 450,000 pesos, R is 4.5% and T equals 10 years. So we will use the solution A equals P times 1 plus R to the power of T because our period or K is only annually, which is 1. So A equals 450,000 pesos times 1 plus 0.045 to the power of 10, and A equals 450,000 pesos times 1.045 to the power of 10. Then our answer is 698,836.24 pesos. So the Mr. Bunak must pay all in all 698,836.24 pesos. That's all. Thank you.